to my channel again. So in today's video I am going to show you and let you know what is human anatomy, and it is only the human form in which how can we draw with the help of pencil. So before proceeding, I would like to tell you all that a few days back ago I have told you that there is an offers going on my Instagram account for Diwali occasion, so you can check out on my Instagram account. So let's proceed and like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon and let's get started.
So here I am showing you what are the front poses and the side pose. It's the both positions are normal, and in the front position I am starting with a skeleton pose. Whenever we draw a human anatomy or a position of a human sketching, we firstly start with the skeleton as a basic part. We don't draw directly the outer shapes because the posture can't be seen properly. So first I am drawing the human anatomy as a skeleton. So as you can see, I have drawn the front position and now I am doing the side position.
Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it. I'm typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't.
Starting with the face structure, only in a round, and first of all we have to start by only rough lines and then we have to give the details at last. And after face, the neck part and then the stomach and then the legs and all. You can also take a photo reference which we will be studying in the next part of the video.
Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you.
And now I have taken a lady in sari and in a front position and in a basic posture, so you can see how can we draw with the help of reference picture. I am already doing the skeleton part, roughly doing the skeleton part and then following the details, the hand posture and also the other hand. As you can see, I have only drawn the basic lines as per the flow of the body and the posture of the body. And now after drawing the skeleton part, we would start the outer structure. If you are proper at human anatomy or drawing figures in drawing, you can also start it by only the clothes. But if you are practicing as a beginner, you would start like this by drawing the skeleton and then on that, above on that, drawing the clothes on it. So it would be more easier for you to understand the posture. So now I have drawn almost and I'm doing the other hand's part, the fist and all.
How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but
So now with the pencil I have done, and to know more, showing this with the help of pen, black pen, so the creases will be visible to you. And this also I am doing the roughly because it would be a longer video if I would show you the whole process. If you are interested in such tutorials, you can comment me in the description box to make another one. I'll do it for you for sure. So now as the darker part is visible in the sari in the photograph, I am doing the shading according to it, and then at last the features. Actually the features are not as important as the human anatomy in the figures.
let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't. sweet.
So hope you guys liked it, and please let me know in the comment section, do you like this video or not, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. So meet you guys till next Saturday. Until then, bye bye.